Well, hello, my fellow modelers. So, I wanted to do a unboxing today. I just got this in the mail from a buddy of mine. So, something else. I think this is one of those model kits that where it's a metal body, because it does look a lot like the model, and I don't see any markings on the bottom. So. Kind of cool. The windshield's cracked on this one, so that's going to be a little... I don't think I have another one for that, so I'm not sure how I'm going to fix it, but we'll figure something out. Next is a Fairlane 500. Not a bad job on this one yet, but paint's a little rough. Looks like this hasn't been painted, but I'm not too concerned. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I love the fact that the doors open. You know, they did the interior, the hood opens, of course. Looks like the trunk does not. Bottom's not too bad. That is probably a Ford. Yep, Ford. You know, let me know down in the comments. Then we got looks like a 71 Mach 1, maybe 69, actually 69. Yeah, for some reason, though, the wheels sit really high. Yeah, that one's going to be a nice, easy one to do. I'll just add some chrome to it and fix the motor. Yeah, that one's not bad. I like it. '57 Chevy drag car. Looks like it's been painted really heavily. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the paint is really on the heavy, so this one's going to have to be stripped. I like it. I like that color even. I might keep yellow. Oh, what else we got? Oh, yeah, another '57 Chevy. Now, this one's done better. Definitely not the paint. I believe this is the color it came in. But that looks like it's going to shine up pretty nicely, so this might be an easy restoration on this one. Still more. Oh yeah, I like this one. I believe that's a 34 Ford. That's a nice, looks like they did a pretty good job. I don't see, it's not a glue bomb. They didn't go crazy with the glue or anything, so yeah, this one, I'll have to find a hood for it, but and then, let's see, Impala 58, I believe. So it looks like it's got some, I'm hoping I could get this off, and really, I think this one's just been sitting for a while. I think all I'm going to do on this one is add a bunch of the detail for the chrome. Doors open again. Looks like they did a decent job on the interior. I have a hood for this, so put some more aggressive wheels and tires on this, and with a blower sticking out the top. I think that'd be perfect. Then one I've been working for a while is the 70 Chevy. This was not bad at all. I think I have the side pipe here. I'm not sure, but here's the side pipe and the top of the blower. Let's see, come on now. Not a bad job. Bottom's not too bad. This is original color. The model came in. So yeah, not bad. I think this one, the decals are still in great condition, and I'm digging it. I like it. '69 Chevelle. So not bad at all. Again, looks like it's just been sitting for a long time. Paint could use some cleanup detail to it. I like the fact that it's got slicks. Interior's been done up nicely. Yeah, I like it. Bottom's not bad. So this will be another easy restoration. And looks like a 68 GTO. I am missing the back bumper to that. I'm not sure if I have that or not. And pretty much stock. It hasn't been painted. So this one I probably will actually take apart and paint it and then change the wheels to something a little more hot rod looking. Let's see, and then we got a Super B. Pretty cool. This one's clearly been sitting for a while. So missing a wheel. Bottom's not bad. It's got the 446 pack on it. Not too bad a shape. It's never been painted. I probably won't paint this one because I don't want to screw up this decal right here. I'll probably shine this one up, throw some different wheels and tires on it, and probably dump the exhaust out the back, lower it up front, and call it good. So I believe that's what this is. Not bad. Rough. This one's going to end up probably getting stripped, or I might leave it like this and just kind of have a rough gasser. And then we have, I believe this is a 56 Ford. I do have the other door. For some reason they glued this in though, but the outside's not. The rims and the tires, rims have got to go. This one's pretty rough. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. This one may end up in the junkyard. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to change these tires and rims and see how this one turns out. See if I like it more. I don't have any bumpers for it, so. Then GTO 68. Not bad. Missing the rear end, but I have plenty of those. Luckily, I do have the bumpers on this one, but it's missing the windshield. But those aren't too hard to make. I'm liking the silver on it, but I doubt this will really clean up all that well. But I might try. But so this one will probably get repainted. I'm not sure if I have a hood for it. I wouldn't be surprised if I did. So. In Impala. Now this one's going to take some work. They glued the door shut. Doors originally opened. Looked like the trunk originally opened also. And so, but you know, honestly, I have like 3 of these, so I'm not sure how much effort I'm going to put into this one because it's kind of rough. So this one may be a good candidate for the junkyard, or I might just restore it. I'm not sure on that one. And another GTO. Definitely not the right hood for it. That's more of the kind of primer look going on. Definitely gonna take some work, but I think I'll probably leave it in the primer and just, because I have enough of these, just go with it. I'm not sure. This is a tough one. It's not bad shape. It wasn't built bad, but she's kind of rough and missing a wheel. So yeah, so that's that, guys. And then, you know, I had talked to one in video about how I really wanted to get one of these, and now I've got 4. It's kind of stupid. So I got that one, and this one is all complete. It's in there. Now, this little guy, that's a big box for this, such a small little, look how small that little sucker is. Just got to paint it up. A 32 Ford Highboy by Revell monogram. I don't think there's any decals in here, but this one was also started. And then body fits on there pretty good. Again, never been painted, but they did start. I was watching the Autistic Modeler. If you haven't checked out his channel, check out. It's the Autistic Modeler. He did the Firefighter Mustang 2 Pro Stocker, and I had to find one. And lo and behold, I did. Never been started. Looks like a super cool kit. He actually did a review on his channel if you want to check it out. One review coming up of the Gone Fishing model kit, which is awesome. And think this is going to be it for now as far as the stash ads. It's getting a little overwhelming. I have way too many to restore now. So I think I'm going to cut back for a little bit. You know, I say that, but I don't know. I never have. So, all right. Well, with that, leave you guys. I hope you have a wonderful holidays, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.